Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you UPS how to ship a package. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to ship a package, first what you need to do is prepare your package. Choose a box strong enough to protect the contents, pack it securely using cushioning, then seal it with packaging tape and weigh and measure the package if you will be creating the label online. The next is to create a shipping label. Simply head over to the ups.com//ship and then simply sign into your account. Then once there, enter from and to address and choose the service label. Then enter the package weight and dimensions and select any extra services like insurance, signature required and Saturday delivery, and pay for the shipment and print the label. Then next is to attach the label to the top of the box, and then lastly drop off or schedule pickup and track your package by using the tracking number from your label and enter it right here and simply tapping on track. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.